Good day everyone, it's me, Teacher Jeremy, who will be joining you for the new MAPI 6 discussion. But before that, have a look at this video and photo. Have you watched a parade or drumline presentation during your city festival in your town? Do you want to be part of the parade? Is it exciting, or does it make you feel like dancing, nuding, clapping, and tapping your feet? Good day, students! Today is a wonderful day for learning something new and interesting. Let's start this discussion with a great song that can get us all grooving, clapping, and tapping our feet. So what do we have to lose? Let's get going!
Hey, you, we all agree with a steady beat.
Don't we all sound really sweet
When we use a steady beat.
Come on, clap, 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 go! Clap, clap, still clap, go! Clap, clap, tap, clap, go! Clap, 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 tap, 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 clap, still clap, go!
Wasn't this song such a treat? It is thanks to a steady beat. Hey!
Hello everyone! Today, we will learn how to create rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature. Are you ready? Great! Let's go and first let us review the rhythmic pattern and time signature. Rhythmic pattern is a set of beat and rest that defines the tempo and pace of a musical piece. Time signature is a set of two numbers written at the beginning of the stop after the clef sign. The upper number tells how many beats are in each measure, and the lower number tells what kind of notes receive one beat. I prepared a song for you today. It is entitled Row, Row, Row Your Boat. I am going to sing it first, and you will sing along with me right after. Is that clear? So now, let us all sing with me. Let us now sing the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let us now sing along. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Observe this pattern. This pattern is the regular rhythm in 6/8 time signature. Say the word blueberry following the notes and count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In 6/8 time signature, there are 6 beats in every measure, and an 8th note or rest receives 1 beat. Let us know the value of each note and rest in 6/8 time signature. Let us have the note first. Whole note receives 8 beat. Half note receives 4 beats. Quarter notes receives 2 beat. 8th note receives 1 beat. And every 16 notes receives 1 half beat. The same with the rest. Whole rest receives 8 beats. Half rest receives 4 beats. Quarter rest receives 2 beats. And every 8 rest receives 1 beat. 16 rest receives 1 half beat. Observe the following example of rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature. As we can see, every measure has 6 beats. Let us have another example. The same with the second example. Every measure has 6 beats, and every 8 notes receives 1 beat. Now, let's take a look at the rhythmic pattern of what we sung. The song Row, Row, Row Your Boat has a 6/8 meters. Let's all count every measure. As we can see to the pattern, every measure has 6 beats. Now, let's create our own rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature. Let us start with a half note. This note receives 4 beats. Then let's add a quarter note, which has 2 beats. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Let's put a bar line to separate the first measure to the next measure. And for the second measure, let us start with a half note again. Then a quarter rest. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now that we have 6 beats, let's put a bar line again to separate the second measure to the next measure. For the third measure, let's have a quarter note, which has 2 beats. Then let us insert 2 8 notes. Each 8 notes receives 1 beat. And another quarter note makes 6 feet. That's it! We have now a rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature. Let's try another one. For the first measure, let us have a dotted quarter note. Remember, the value of the dot is half of the value of the note or rest. Before, a quarter note has 2 beats. The half of 2 is 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. We need 3 more beats to have a total of 6 beats. Let's add an 8 note and a quarter rest. Let's insert a bar line for the next measure. Let's have 1 half rest which has 4 beats and 2 8 notes to make 6 feet again. A bar line has to be inserted for the last measure. Let's have a quarter note and a half note to make 6 beats. Now, we have our second rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature. See? Creating rhythmic pattern in 6/8 time signature is as easy as that. I am sure you can create your own now. That's all for today, students. I hope you all learned from me. See you for the next video lesson. Goodbye!